Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my hair is dry, so I decided that it was time to give it some hydration. So I am going to be doing a 2-step wash day routine using products from Nature's Little Secret. So first I drenched my hair with water and then I followed up with their Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. I really like this shampoo a lot because it is super moisturizing, but it also helps to remove any type of buildup that I have on my scalp, which is really important for my low porosity hair. I like to start off by shampooing my hair in 4 sections, and as you can see, I like to make sure that I work that shampoo into my hair and especially onto my scalp. I don't scratch the product on my hair. I actually just use the tips of my finger and rub the product in. And I've noticed that when I do that, it causes less breakage and less irritation to my scalp. Next, I'm just going in with my scalp massager, and I'm just going to use that to give my scalp a nice little massage. Also, just to make sure that I lift up any of that excess debris that might be sitting on my scalp. Next, I'm going to make sure that I thoroughly remove all of that shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with my next favorite product from Nature's Little Secrets, the Rose Hydrating Conditioner. This conditioner smells amazing and it has some really good slip as well. I will show you in a couple of seconds how it just gets my curls nice and popping. So as you can see, my curls are clumping together really nicely. And what I really like about this conditioner is that it just brings my hair back to life. I like to use this when I feel like my hair is very dry and it needs a little TLC, but I literally love using this conditioner. It is thebomb.com. After working in all of that conditioner, I like to take 2 plastic caps just to make sure that all that moisture is trapped into my hair. So right now I'm applying my first plastic cap, and I also like to use 2 because I've noticed that as my hair is growing out, it's just getting thicker and thicker, and it's just hard to fit everything under 1 plastic cap, so 2 just does me some justice. So I sat under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes and this is what my hair is looking like. A huge difference from the beginning of the video, and honestly, I was super pleased with my results. I love these 2 products together and you should definitely check them out. Peace out, y'all.